back chilling with you at the neighborhood. That is Applebee's, and that is at 3501 North Main Street in Altus. And I got behind me, let me just pan around. Yeah, that is the Dallas Falcons game. Yeah, ain't nothing like it. Right now, Dallas is on top, 21-14. The Falcons just made a touchdown, but we're going to answer. We're going to bring back with an answer. Brandon Weeden is the man, and he's going to make it happen. But I know that's not what I'm here to talk to you about right now, but I figured I'd give you a little update about what I'm saying and what I'm talking about. And so we're going to get right to it here in just a second with some Oklahoma State Cowboy football that happened yesterday. And let me tell you, by the end of it, I almost needed a gallon of Pepto-Bismol because it was intense for 4 straight quarters and a little bit of overtime. But the Cowboys did pull out a W. But just to let you know that here at Applebee's, kids eat absolutely free Sunday through Thursday all day. And I'll tell you a little bit more about some stuff that Applebee's got going for you, but let's jump right into it. Oklahoma State football against, let's just say, the Longhorns of Texas. And let me tell you, Bevo almost got the best of us. What happened, it was tug of war the whole entire game. 4 full quarters, and then that wasn't even enough. We had to go into overtime. But mistakes plagued the Oklahoma State Cowboys. And I'm talking about from fumbles to missed blocking, missed tackles. I can name a litany of things that they missed, but the things that they did good, they kept playing for 4 straight quarters, and then they went in overtime and beat the Longhorns at home, and now they're 4-0 and looking extremely great right now. They take on Kansas State at home next Saturday up in Stillwater, and it's going to be true football weather. The temperature is going to be 71 degrees, and it's going to be completely a great atmosphere for football at Boone Pickens Stadium. When I come right back, I'm going to talk about the Oklahoma Sooners and what they got to go up against next week. Applebee's at 3501 North Main Street in Altus is your burger specialist headquarters. And let me tell you, burgers are on sale for $6.99. Yes, we're talking about gourmet burgers. On sale, $6.99, Monday through Friday from 11 to 4. Get your burger on right here at Applebee's, 3501 North Main Street in Altus. Your burger specialist, your sports specialist, and you know what? Kids eat free Sunday through Thursday all day. It's all happening right here at Applebee's. Welcome to the neighborhood. Hey, this is Coach K back with you, letting you know that the OU Sooners didn't play this week. They had a bye week. But next week, the true test of grit, determination, and 4 full quarters is coming to town. Yes, Mr. Dana Horgeson. Yes, Mr. I Taught Oklahoma State Up-Tempo Football is coming to the Sooner Nation, which is in Norman, Oklahoma. West Virginia is coming to town early Saturday morning, 11 a.m. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be live and in full effect. You don't want to miss that game because that game will detect and tell the all-tale of how the Sooners are improving as a whole unit instead of offense-defense. Because they're going to have to play offense, defense, special teams to beat West Virginia. Because right now, West Virginia is playing extremely good football. So, Bobby Stoops, I hope during this bye week or not last week that you got with the troops and you rallied them hard and you got them to do fundamentals to play 4 quarters of football. Absolute dominance. You're going to have to dominate from as soon as you get that ball on Saturday. And to wrap it up for you, Saturday, Oklahoma State takes on Kansas State at 3 o'clock. That game will also be on TV as well. So I hope that you catch those games because they're going to be very crucial games to set these teams up for further progress. Because Oklahoma State has West Virginia in West Virginia. Yes, I'll even repeat that. Oklahoma State has West Virginia in West Virginia on October the 10th. So it's only going to get tougher here on out, folks. So until next week, this is Coach Cade getting the skinny with Coach Cade right here in the neighborhood of Applebee's at 3501 North Main Street here in Altus, where they are the burger specialists. They do what they do to make your experience very cool and very atmospheric. And I appreciate Lisa and her crew for everything that she does. And I hope that you get to come out because they have some great specials. Burgers, Monday through Friday, 11 to 4, $6.99. And they have the kids eating free Sunday through Thursdays all day. Come on out to Applebee's. Welcome to the neighborhood. Until next week, hey, this is Coach Kate saying 4 full quarters of football. Play them hard, play them well, and you'll have success. Until next week, God bless. Peace. Apparel for Coach Kate is brought to you by Custom Graphics of Altus, Oklahoma.